150 years ago, the Swabian Railway chugged through Laupheim. It gave the entire region an industrial jolt. Because of this, my great-great-grandfather, a Protestant pharmacist, founded a pharmacy. To establish it, Gottlob Christian Müller needed a lot of entrepreneurial courage and devotion, and a strong conviction of creating value sustainably. His first client was the Catholic chaplain. Gottlob treated him with the utmost dedication. Our company's story is not a straightforward journey. It has been met with compromise and debate, setbacks and progress, ups and downs, consistency and change. However, this journey has always matched our passions, talents, and convictions. The turning points of this journey were challenging. It would have been easier to stick with familiar products and processes, but that would have decreased entrepreneurial independence and sustainable value, not an option. The joy of making decisions and acting was and is so immense that we said yes to change. Rentschler's production of vaccines against bovine tuberculosis, which helped secure food for the population after the Second World War. Our start of biopharmacy in 1974. In this field we are pioneers with the approval of the world's first interferon drug. Our performance as a CDMO since 1995, developing medical research into highly effective biopharmaceuticals that enhance patients' quality of life. And most recently, entering the fight against COVID-19 and building important alliances. All these moments, plus many more, have created sustainable value, and we keep creating. 1,100 employees across 3 sites unite this passion with flexibility and direction, entrepreneurial courage with dedication, and with an unconditional desire of creating value sustainably.